So for the bonus here, these are a little more tricky, but not much. We're going to follow the exact same process to solving two-step equations. So go ahead and click on where it says solving two-step equations, and we've got decimals and fractions, which is why they look a little more weird, but they're not that bad. So I have this problem right here, and our goal is to solve for p, or get p by itself. Now again, I know that I have parentheses, so the very first thing I have to do is use the distributive property. So I'm going to have to take -5 times p and -5 times 3 over 5. I know that -5 times p is just -5p. And then I have -5 times 3 over 5. So go ahead and open Desmos if you don't have it open already. And literally, I'm going to do -5 times 3 over 5. And then I get that my answer is -3. So I'm going to come back here, and I have -3 equals -4. So now what I need to do is get p by itself. So far, all I've done is use the distributive property. And if I'm trying to get p by itself, I know the first thing that I have to move is this -3. So if I have a -3, the way that I move it over is by adding 3. And of course, I'm doing that to both sides of the equal sign. And then I'm left with -5p equals -1, because -4 plus 3 is -1. Now what I'm going to do is get p by itself, so I have to divide by whatever is in front of p, and what is in front of p right now is a -5. So I'm going to go ahead and divide by -5 on both sides. And then you can go ahead and put that in Desmos as well, -1 divided by -5. Some of you might know this, some of you might not. If you don't, totally fine. And then we have that our answer is 0.2. So p equals 0.2. Now notice that this is a positive 0.2 because we have a negative divided by a negative, which gives us a positive. You would come back here, put in 0.2, and then keep going. So these look a little more tricky, but all you have to do is follow the same process that we used for the whole numbers.